Milan Fashion Week. Milan Fashion Week Brain make a reward cash for made in Italy. You can usually tell that it's a Giorgino Armani show not least because of the refined design but because the model are most often smiling. Rather than the cast not understanding deny. When the Italian luxury label presents its spring-summer in 2026 collection, the last by maestro of fashion himself before his passing early this month. Model walking the runway stage at Pinacoteca in Brera Museum had a live expression on their face. Instead of walking individually, several moved in pairs or small groups. They wore floor-smithing gowns and smart jackets that looked made for the red carpet where Emrys Ben has thrived. They were also more relaxed but sophisticated looks such as a tunic and coats with Mandarin colors. A live pianist performed, and there was a country for its paper letters. It created a much more sound than any animal show in recent history. Among those in attendance were Hollywood stars in longtime friends or Armani include actors Kate Blanchett, Richard Gere, Glenn Close, Houghton Harper, Samuel L. Jackson, and filmmakers Spike Lee and designer Paul Smith and Dries Van Noten, all dressed accordingly in black tie, and following the show were invited to explore the museum, where more than 120 of Armani designs are currently being exhibited for the first time, alongside works by Renaissance artists Caravaggio, Giovanni Bellini, and Raphael. For many attendees who had received a T-shirt with a black and white photo of Armani along their show invitation, this was a final chance to pay tribute to the designer's transformative influence and his role in putting Milan on the fashion map. A standing ovation was given Silvio Armani, who was her uncle through aide in the women's wear department and who also sits on the company's board, and Leo Del Orco, Armani long-term partner and the brand's head of menswear, took their bow at the end. New beginning at Gucci and Jill Sander. As one chapter closed, other had begun, and the chapter one other had begun. There was plenty to look forward to throughout the week, as several designers, including Louis Vuitton for Bottega Veneta and Vario Vuitton for Foscars, showed their first collection for big luxury house. The debut takes place at a critical time in the country, just after riots and national strikes broke out across Italy as protesters clashed with police, demanding action over Gaza. Meanwhile, luxurious continues made in Italy has been under serious threat in recent years following the revision of labor exploitation in the outskirts factories of major brands, including Loro Piana, Dior, and Valentino. Rising prices of luxury goods have also prompted more shoppers to question, are high as good really worth the spend? While ethical practices and high quality should remain non-negotiable, people still need a reason to buy into brands beyond the clothes. It's a concept that Gucci and Mono mix. Rule-breaking designer Demar understands well. He demonstrated his pose on Tuesday when he unveiled his first look for Gucci via a short film featuring Emerald including actors Demi Moore, Edward Norton, and Elliot Page and Ellie Compson. In the evening, they attend the premiere at the historical Palazzo Mezzanotte, dressed in the new Gucci attire as the Willy Patrol, Serena Williams, and Nicky as Amanda Jean. Meanwhile, Simone Bellotti debuted as designer of jewelry felt in Whisper in comparison Gucci affair. There were four celebrities in attendance in general, but that's how the understand label and Bertie both typically operate. The most important face to know was arguably the American model who opened the show, with us Guinevere and Sven Singles, who famously appeared in the bands in 1996 campaign and defined the minimalist look at that decade. Nearly 18 years old, she wore a crop long sleeve top and a white knee-long skirt. Some skirts that followed came with narrow slits in the front, revealing slight glimpses of the model's leg and the yoke. I think the way Club was revealing was always very elegant, and it's not easy to do. Bellotti said backstage on the label Import News founder, he continues to explain, I started by trying to study this trend. If I felt depression to opposite feelings, there is part of more classic with the formula and rebel. At the same time, it's about the research for modernity likeness. So for me, it's about trying to find to balance these elements. Fendi, Prada, and Diesel staying the course. And the other luxury label is business as usual. Touch is made a chameleon cast for their cap in the launcher in this business. Silvia Venturini Fendi knows what customers want from years of experience working in the Fendi fashion house where she currently has for creative control. Her attitude was unforgettable at the Fendi show, where top model holding desirable handbags. Style with joyful knits, a catchy dress and sporty parades and good fast dress, including actors Hilary Duff, Naomi Watts in Branson of the South Korean Boy and Stray Kids. In evening, they migrated to Fendi Novel Friendship in the upscale Moscow district, the opening of which coincides with the brand's functioning career. Brigida Prada and Ralph Simons, the intellectual and artistic creative director of Prada, regularly expressed their desire to embrace spontaneity and enjoy thoughtful as a disrespect to the overstimulation generated from an algorithm modern world. This reason was no different. The new collection, which was designed as a response to the overall of contemporary culture, according to the show notes, including various uniformized stuff in tutus, and pullovers with deep-cut necklines. There were also Italian jacket style over loose dress. Actor Carey Mulligan, Kerry Washington, Felicity Jones, and short Korean boy and hyphen set in styrofoam roll. Backstage, Simon emphasized the idea of freedom, and decided was the death that not concept the body. Also, this idea a woman can feel amazing, fit and luxurious uniform and match the dress, he said. Prada nodded in agreement. We try to build a new green elegance, he said. The goal was to make clothes for now contemporary clothes. The well-designed design brand Masters once again issued a traditional rainbow show. This time a paper of the racial described a kind around Milan. The project was revealed on Tuesday. The model individually posing here. Its shape comes with a look from the new collection next to each watch featured cards. The idea was to travel the city and collect them all. The first time 5 tattoos were to be rewarded with a custom-made outfit. It is an genius for that immigrants fashion, which the label has sought to do previously with its public fashion shows and events. A touch of whimsy and moxino makes Maran sunny. Humor can do wonders to cut through a packed line-up of shows. It has long been in the recent entry of Moschino designer Adrian Appizola, who installed his position at the brand, presents one the strongest collection yet. Inspired by Alcafara, the radical Italian art movement to late in 1960s years, where everyday non-traditional materials like oil, rakes, or twigs were used to challenge ideas of colonialism and Italian Appizzola's use of cycle materials, so as raffia recycled from plastic to create dress and coats. The brain made founder spirit felt rich and distinctive tones, royal prints, and the signature smile symbol of pride and hopes and drive. Cookie bags can sell like supermarket, red apples, or public burger. Normally what focused on the particular integrity of clothes. The brand designer Ian David this time through inspiration from Madame de Pompadour, a renowned pattern and ambassador in the becoming global styles, which were the aim to typically classic wardrobe items. The opening look was a belt-dress-like trench coat with the short sleeves with materials of fabric to resemble floats. Elsewhere, layers of organza were assembled to talk to petals or feathers. There were looks you would imagine on Fire Madison, the Thai beauty queen turned actor who created a photo outside the show. And then there is Sunay, the smaller independent unisex labels Bernard, Messina, and Simon Rizzo, which can never entertain such guests with the Johnny Chicks and show formats. This time, in lieu of a runway, the brand has a fictional exhibition of its founders, intended to be a commemorative accommodation of creativity. The surprise announcement at the end of the day, however, was when Messina and Rizzo would be citing the company. The show had migrated further